Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Cool Whip 3 Musketeers. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 6 cups of milk chocolate chips, and we are going to divide those. 8 ounces of whip topping, and you want that thawed. And then 1.5 tablespoons of vegetable shortening. Line an 8x8 baking dish with parchment paper. Be sure to leave overhangs for easy removal. And then in a medium-sized microwavable safe bowl, we are going to melt 3.5 cups of chocolate chips. Just do that in about 45-second increments, stirring it in between each after you check each one. My chocolate is nice and melted and not burnt. That's what you really want to be sure that you do not burn it. So now I am going to go ahead and mix my whipped topping into my chocolate. And you can do that with an electric mixer, but I'm just going to do it with a spatula. That looks nice and combined to me, so now we are just going to pour it evenly into our prepared pan. That looks good to me, so now I'm going to stick this in the freezer. I'm going to check it in 2 hours, but it may take longer than that to set up. Alright, it's been close to 2 hours, so I removed mine from the freezer, and it is still gooey, but it doesn't really set up all the way, I don't think. So I am going to go ahead and cut mine. I'm just going to do 16 slices, and then 16 pieces, and then I'm going to cut those in half to get 32 pieces. I have my 32 pieces cut here, and I just kept cleaning off my knife if I needed to, but I am not going to remove these from this parchment paper because they are already starting to really soften. So I'm just going to stick them into this container and back into the freezer for at least another hour. Alright, everything is still in the freezer, so now I'm going to melt my other 2.5 cups of milk chocolate chips and my 1.5 tablespoons of shortening in a microwavable safe bowl. Alright, my bars have all been dipped. I did not actually have enough chocolate to do all of mine, so I'll have to go to the store to get more chocolate. But this is what they should look like after your chocolate's melted. You just dip these down in there with a fork. Some are prettier than others. And then you just beat off the side, beat the side to get the excess chocolate off, and here you go. Now I'm going to put these in the refrigerator to set up for about 30 minutes. Here is what they look like when they're all set up. I cannot wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Yeah, I'm good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone. Come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.